Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this kitchen we keep it simple, affordable and full of flavor. I'm so excited to show you today's recipe, so grab your ingredients and let's cook together. So today I'm going to show you how to cook pasta spaghetti with vegetable soya sauce or Sossi. Very simple, affordable and delicious. You can never go wrong with this. So first step, you boil your water and then not boil, like lukewarm, and then you add your spaghetti inside. I was trying to do a certain video I saw on TikTok and then it went wrong. So yeah, that's how they look like. And then you add a little oil, like 2 tablespoons of oil, and then salt, and then you let them cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. And the next step, you take your soya or Sossi, you soak it into water. I usually soak my Sossi to just absorb the water and not be too crunchy or dry. You set it aside and start preparing your ingredients. You chop your onions. I was using onions, garlic, bell pepper, coriander, cucumber, carrots, any vegetables that you have. After preparing your ingredients, you put oil into the pan that you're going to use to cook the Sossi or the pot. Let it boil for some time, and then before the onions, I usually add some salt to just avoid the oil from splashing into your face or hand when you're going to add in the onions. So next step, you add in your onions plus garlic, chopped onions plus garlic. You add into the oil, let them cook until golden brown. And then you remember the sausage that you had soaked in water. Remove the water completely, and then you add your saucy into the onions. Let them cook until golden brown, or it gets that crunchiness from. Just fry them with the oil and the onions together. After frying them for like 5 minutes, add in your spices. I used paprika, and then I added soya sauce, and then the vegetables, the cucumber, carrots and tomatoes. For me, I used just those 2 spices. If you want, you can add as many as you want, but for me, just use those 2. And yeah, you mix everything up and you let it cook for some time. and then you add a little bit of water just for the soup, and you leave it to cook for like 5 to 10 minutes max. And then after a few minutes you'll be ready to be served, and then you serve with your spaghetti. I forgot to show you that my spaghetti was ready, but it was ready within like 10 minutes. And there you have your saucy vegetable saucy and your spaghetti. Very simple, very delicious. It was so good. This so good for lunch, dinner, breakfast. Very good. So make sure to subscribe for more amazing content like this video, share with your friends and families, and comment down below, will you try this recipe? Let me know. Bye bye, till next time.